Hey guys, Trina here. Today I'm going to be doing a video of swatching these Lyra water-soluble art crayons that I got with a gift certificate that I got for Christmas. Fun, right? So let's get started. So here's the box that they come in. This is the opening box. It's Lyra water-soluble crayons, and this is the list of all the colors. They come in this really cool tin. So we've got 24 colors to swatch today, and I'm just going to get started. I'm not going to read off all the colors. I might list them in the listing below. Pretty standard. Some reds, yellows, blues, greens. So I'm going to lay these down, and then we're going to add in, with our water pen, we're going to add some color water into it and see how they react with water. And then we'll do a little test to see how they interact with each other with water and without. First impressions are that they're pretty creamy. They're not as creamy as the Marabou art crayon, the art crayons, the other art crayons that I love. But they are pretty good. It does take a little bit of pressure to lay down the pigment. I guess I could go softer by maybe using the side, but I wanted to get a good base of color down before we start mixing in the water. They are very pigmented, and it'll be interesting to see how they react, how pigmented they stay after we add some water to them. I'm hoping that they stay pretty well. And I'll be using these in my mixed media projects, and since they're wax based, I can also use them with the cold wax, which will be fun too. Always looking for new materials to add to my mixed media projects. So these were pretty inexpensive. They were 20 bucks, I think. This is my water brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and add some water into here, each one, and see how it is reacting with the wax crayon. Pretty good, actually. The pigment stays. They're pretty bright still, even with the water. They're easy to mix with the water, which is nice. There doesn't seem to be not really a lot of effort involved to get the pigment to mix with the water. As you can see, I'm using different amounts of water. It looks like you can go anywhere from a really thin wash to just a nice base of color. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these. I think they're going to be a nice addition to my workflow and to my projects. Oh, that red is really pretty. Very saturated. I like that. So I'll be using these quite a bit. So now I just want to take, I'm going to make a dark line here. I want to see how transparent they are. So I'm just going to use this blue color and make some marks. And you can see that just drawing over it, it does cover up. But once you add water, you get more of a wash. So let's take this, and we're going to add in some red. They don't really spread with the finger, which is unfortunate. And they don't really mix very well together by just rubbing them together. Once you add water, they do mix quite well. You can see here, I'm mixing in and getting this sort of bluish, purpley color. Well, actually, more purpley color than red-blue. So yeah. What am I doing here? Just seeing if I can reactivate these colors, and they don't really reactivate very well once they're dry. So these are the Lyra markers, art crayons, and Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.